Hey peeps, what's up? Manchi here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply the official OTA updates on your rooted Google Pixel devices, whether it be the Pixel 6, the Pixel 6a, the Google Pixel 6 Pro, and the upcoming Google Pixel 7 and the Google Pixel 7 Pro. Of course, I will be doing this process on my rooted Google Pixel 6a. So here it is, this is the Google Pixel 6a, and right now we are on the August security patch. I am getting a notification that could not install system update. Now once I open Magisk, you will notice that my device is rooted, Magisk is installed, version is 25.2. First thing you need to do is you will go into modules, and if you have any modules which modify system, you need to uninstall them and reboot your device. The next thing, any other modules which you have which do not modify system, I recommend that you disable them. And if you're not sure whether a module modifies the system or not, then the best option here is to uninstall all the modules. Once that is done, you need to reboot your device. Now we will go back to the home page of Magisk. Herein select uninstall Magisk and select restore images. So at this point, all the images have been restored successfully. Then we will go back to the updates page. So go into settings, then you will go into system. Once you're in system, you need to check for system update, and here it is telling me installation problem. I will say try again, so it is trying it one more time. So now it is telling me that installation is paused and we can resume once device is not being used. So I'm going to select resume over here. Now once the update has been applied successfully, you will get the option of restart now. That is something which we do not have to do. So we will go to the home screen. Then we are going to open Magisk one more time. And we are going to select install over here. Besides Magisk, you have install. Select this option. On the next screen, you will get three different options. Now you need to select over here install to inactive slot after OTA. So you are getting now a message that your device will be forced to boot to current inactive slot after a reboot. Only use this option after OTA is done. Continue. We are going to select OK and then select let's go. So at this point it is patching the inactive slot wherein we have just installed our OTA update. And once it is done, all you need to do is select reboot. So here it is, the device has rebooted, and as you can see, it is finishing the system update. We can confirm, we can go into settings, then we will go into about phone. And herein we are going to select the Android version. Bam, here it is. You can see we have successfully updated to the September build of Android 13 on this Google Pixel 6a. Let us open the Magisk app as well. And herein you will notice that my device is still rooted. You can see Magisk is installed. That is the version. I did not have any modules, but at this time, feel free to install the modules which you had previously. And there it is, peeps. That is how you update your rooted Google Pixel 6, 6a, 6 Pro, the 7, the 7 Pros to an OTA update from Google. And that will do it for this video. Hope my video helped you. Likes, shares and subscribes are appreciated. Feedback and comment more than welcome. See you when I see you.